Let's go check out the city life. The city looks like this, with huge buildings, a lot of buildings everywhere. There's a lot of life. The skyscrapers, but they do bring noises, a lot of traffic noises. There's too much of traffic in the city, and that creates pollution, noise pollution and air pollution. But it comes with a lot of amusement parks and a lot of entertaining places that we all can have fun in. And then there's the street life. A city has all kinds of people and every kind of situation. They have shops, malls that you can shop from, and a lot of eating places like restaurants and cafes. Good entertainment.